It's me again. I've had a nice phone call with Gil Keen from Better Car Lighting about LED lights. Upgrading is pretty simple nowadays. You just plug the LED light where the normal bulb is and you have a lot more illumination. So I was quite interested also from a personal perspective, because I work as a forensic accident investigator. So better lights, especially in the dark or when it's misty, for example, is a lot safer. And he had a good point as well, that the safer we make our classic cars, the more popular they might become, with less criticism from the general public. So better car lighting, but obviously there's a lot more companies who sell LED lights, but worth an upgrade. So here are some comparisons that I've done on my '69 Daimler V8 saloon. Hope you enjoy it. Very easy to change them. Take off the screw, obviously. Take the cover off. Take the bulb out and put the new one in. There you go. Screw.